So today it was supposed to rain all day, but it didn't. So we're gonna make our canoe crate that we've been planning to make for a while, sometime. So we gathered all the materials. We have our bungees. We have one 18-inch, and then it goes all the way down to a 6-inch small bungee. And then we have a 10-foot pipe of PVC. It's an inch to an inch and a half length. It usually works. And then we have our crate. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to cut our PVC into 10-inch lengths to make the pole for it. So
we're just going to cut this.
No, it'll be able to cut it. It's just going to be a mess. So I just need you to hold that up and push it down a little bit. Safety first. Make sure you wear your glasses. Dude, I don't like that. I'm scared. No, it's fine. Alright, so we got our 6 pieces cut. Now we're going to sand the ends down a bit, so that way it's not so rough. And then after that, we use the drill. We're going to drill some holes in them and then zip tie them into the crate. Okay, so now we have 2 holes that we're going to drill marked out in order to attach them with zip ties to the crate. And so we're going to go to drill those now. Alright, so zip tie the pole holders on our PVC. We eyeballed every single part of it, so the fact that most of these aren't crooked is amazing. It's fantastic. Next, we're going to take these bungees. We're going to bungee it like this so that we have dividers for our tackle boxes, and then we'll put one bungee over like this so that the tackle boxes won't fall out if we were to flip. And that's kind of the whole point of the crate, is that if anything were to flip, everything stays in place and we don't lose it.